Hello, Dee.
Hello, Paul.
We've got a workshop on this Sunday, which is called Support for the Awakening Soul. And it's something that is part of our work that we want to help people to awaken spiritually. So you can get a sense of what is your spiritual path, what is your life path, what is your purpose, and much more to awaken to that inner sense of who you truly are as a soul. So this is something that is very important, but then there are challenges once you awaken to that. What do you think, Dee?
Definitely. And one of the things that happens when one initiates this very conscious path of spiritual awakening, it does seem to feel that you need people around you or practices around you that support this unfolding kind of new reality. And in this workshop, we really want to be able to focus on what processes and what sort of energetic alignments that can be used to help you feel supported during this entire very exciting process.
Yes, well, once you go through this awakening, your life can actually change completely. Are you ready for that? So, what if you're in a situation where your family or friends or partner, loved one, have completely different values from what you feel to be important in your awakened state? What are you going to do about that? How are you going to cope with that? What steps are you going to make? Because really, we are companionly kind of beings where we like to feel that we do have support around us, that we are having that belonging with others, that somehow that we can share values. It's not very easy for most of us to feel on our own. And if we do feel on our own, it might be quite painful for us, and we might be inclined, well, I better just go back and live the way I used to, so I'll be comfortable and so I won't feel alienated. And it's big decision times when perhaps those around you have different values to you, how you can cope with this, how you can strengthen yourself so that you actually would live in accordance with your deeper truth.
Yes, and it is very much a real need to consolidate your faith. That faith is what will give you that sense of strength and that sense of spiritually belonging to something bigger than you, than who you are. And I mean, that's not an easy transition. I mean, all of us have been very much brought up with the security of family and friends and the routine of that, but there is something within the soul that wants more and that wants to feel that wherever it's going to is going to be a place of love and support, very much like family and friends were able to provide. And I think we really want to open that conversation. So how would your new life be support you? How can you ask for that support, and how can you integrate, it to your own pace?
Yes, well, we're going to be approaching this through meditation, of course, which is what we do for you to strengthen your own inner feelings about this and how you can envision your life moving forward. And of course, it's also going to be very much about your relationship with change and how you can best cope with change and move forward with change, even in situations which might be quite difficult and challenging for you. So I think it'll be a very good and very deep workshop, and it will be one where we can hopefully give each other lots of support in the workshop towards the way forward and the changes that we're needing to make. So, yeah, come and join us. We'd love to have you with us.
Yes, the workshop um, is going to be on this Sunday at 7 o'clock Australian Eastern Standard Time. And for our friends in the UK, it will be 8 a.m. in the morning. We hope that it will be a really wonderful workshop where we can not only support each other but also inspire each other that the future that we do want has the connectivity and love that we really, really want to embody in our lives.
So the future is bright. It might not be what we expect, but the future is bright.
That's it. See you soon.
See you soon.